Have you ever caught yourself thinking there are no good men or women left? I'm too old for dating. If I open my heart again, I'll just get hurt. If you're over 50 and you're looking for love, these thoughts can feel so real, but the truth is they're not facts, they're beliefs. And today I'm going to break down the 3 most common beliefs that block people over 50 from finding real, healthy love and how to rewire them. And before we dive in, if you want help with this, I have a free resources that make dating after 50 easier, lighter, and more fun. Just check the link below this video. Belief number 1, there are no good options left. You've heard this one. Maybe you've even said it. All the good ones are taken. There's no one out there for me. This is a classic scarcity mindset, and it makes sense. Dating pool does change with age. Research shows that older adults do date, but many simply don't meet new people the way they used to. Social circles get smaller, routines get tighter, and online dating can feel overwhelming. But here's a surprising thing. Scarcity is mostly a belief system. When you think the pool is tiny, you subconsciously shut down your opportunities. You swipe less, you say no faster, you don't go to events, you don't signal openness, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. There is no one out there because I'm not actually putting myself out there. So let's reframe it. Instead of asking, are there any good people left? Ask, where do the people who match my values hang out? And then go there. Maybe it's community events, interest-based groups, cultural activities, outdoor clubs, volunteering workshops. The pool isn't gone, the pool has simply moved. Belief number 2, I'm too old. Let's talk about internalized ageism. And yes, we all have some. Maybe you look in the mirror and think, who would want someone my age? You assume the younger people have an advantage and older people don't. But the research is very clear. Age is not the main factor that makes partner desirable. What people over 50 value most is emotional maturity, kindness, stability, confidence, and shared values. And guess what? Those qualities increase with age. They don't decrease. So when you say I'm too old, what you actually might mean, I'm afraid I'm not enough. And that's never about age, that's about self-worth. So let's reframe it. Your age is an asset. You have lived experience. You know who you are. You know what you don't want. Love after 50 isn't a consolation prize. It's often the most authentic version of love you'll ever have. Belief number 3, I'll just get hurt again. All right, this is a big emotional one. Many of us over 50 carry a lot of relationship history, divorce, betrayal, heartbreak, loss. When you have been wounded, opening your heart again can feel terrifying. And this belief whispers, protect yourself, don't risk it. It's safer to stay single than to be vulnerable again. But staying guarded is actually what hurts the most because it blocks the connection even before it can start. So let's reframe it. Instead of I'll get hurt, try I can open my heart slowly and safely. Vulnerability doesn't mean ripping your soul open. It means sharing a little, then observing, then sharing a little more. Love doesn't require perfection. It requires presence, honesty, and pacing. If you're listening to this and thinking, yes, I at least have one of these beliefs, you're already doing most important thing, becoming aware. If you want help shifting these beliefs and opening up to real life, you can find my free resources linked below. There's a confidence workbook and how to update your profile. So you can download those right now. All right, let's close this with the challenge. Choose one belief, just one, that you want to rewrite this month. Write down the new belief you want to replace it with. Put it somewhere you can see it every day, because love after 50 isn't about luck. It's about mindset, openness, and believing that the best part of your story can still be ahead of you. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which belief is your biggest blocker right now. I would love to hear from you. Love and light. Bye.